Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to create amazing storybooks for kids using AI. And the best part is that you can also sell them online. Check this one. So let's get started. First of all, you need a story and image prompts. So for that, we're going to use GravityWrite. First, you have to sign up, and then this interface appears. This is your home dashboard. Okay, so scroll down, and here you can see Blog Tools. Click on View All. Again, scroll down, and from here, click on Book Writing. So here you can see lots of options, but we select Kids Storybook Content Generator. So here we can instantly generate a story by just answering these questions. First, we need to enter the title of our story. So if you haven't decided a title yet, you can just enter a short description of the story you want. Once you're done, next you need to select the type of story you want, then select the age of your readers. You can also enter how many characters you want in the story and give them names, but it's optional. Even if you don't enter any names here, GravityWrite will automatically create the characters according to the story. So I'll let GravityWrite do the job. Next, we need to enter the number of pages that we want in our story. Here you can create up to 30 pages. Okay, so now click on Create Content. And there you go. You can see that GravityWriter's created a story along with the prompts to generate the images for each and every page. All right, now we have successfully created an engaging story for the storybook, but having just the text isn't enough to make a fun storybook for kids. We need some vibrant and eye-catching images to grab the attention. So, to get these images, for that you can use different tools like Not Diamond, Leonardo AI, and Ideogram.
So I use Leonardo AI. Click on the link below in the description. First, you have to sign up with your Google account. And here, simply copy your image prompt from GravityWrite and paste it here. Select Image Dimension, and I use Flux Dev Model. You can try any of them. And hit Generate. So here is the results. Select any one you want and download. Okay, now again, copy the next image prompt and paste it here. And here you can also give a reference image, so let's try this. Upload the image and hit Generate. So the results are quite similar to the first image. So now repeat this process and create all the images. If you used all your coins and your limit is over, then you can sign up with another account. Also use Temp Mail website, link in the description below.
So now you can see I generate all the images for my story. All right, now we are going to design the pages of Storybook. For this, we use Canva. With Canva, we can easily design the pages and add the various elements to it to make it look good. So continue with Google account and let's start designing. Just search here Storybook and it will give you lots of templates, but we click on Blank Page. So first, we need to upload the images that we have generated. And to do that, go to Uploads and upload all the images. You can change the color of your page if you want. Once all the images are uploaded, first let's create the cover page of our storybook. To do that, click the image, and now adjust the image. This image is just for the cover page. We don't need to add anything extra to it. Next, let's design the first page of our story. Go to Elements, search for Frames, and select frame of your own choice. Now go to Uploads and add your image in this frame. Now, to add the text content,
Go back to GravityWrite and copy that text and paste it here. Now adjust the text, and from here change the font style. To make it look even better by adding some graphic elements to it, so to do that, let's go to Elements and search for an element that suits the story. So click the element and then Adjust. And from here, adjust the transparency. Now search for birds and add some birds.
Okay, so your first page is ready.
And from here, add new page.
And now I am going to design the second page, so follow the same steps. Now you can see that I design all the pages. Now you can download this as a PDF. But reading a storybook as a PDF can be boring, especially for kids. What if we can convert this PDF into a fun, interactive flipbook that gives the feel of a real book as you turn the pages?
For that, go to Share, click on See All, and scroll down. And in Design, click on Heyzine Flipbooks. Here, select all pages. And done. Once your design is saved, you can click here to see the flipbook in Heyzine. The flipbook we generate gets deleted after a week, so to avoid this, we have to log into Heyzine, and to do that, just click Register, sign in with your Google account, and once you're logged in, your flipbook will be saved permanently. So here your flipbook is ready.
Want to share this flipbook with friends and family? Just go to Share, copy this link, and share it with your loved ones. You can also share this flipbook on websites that offer content for kids. So this is how you can easily create an attractive kids storybook.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon
So you never miss out future tutorials.